first run in the bag. Didn't really launch it that hard. 0 to 60, 2.8. 0 to 100, 6.2. Showing 8th mile, 690 at 105. 1060 at 130 is what it's showing in the data contraption thing here. That sounds, actually it sounds about right. Like I said, I didn't launch it really hard. 87 degrees is what it's showing as far as ambient temperature goes. Let's see how she turned up. Thank you. Yep, about right. 1065 with a 161 60 foot. Could have launched a little bit harder than that. Went 680 at 105 in the 8th. I'm still thinking that mile an hour is a little shy on the big end at 127, considering it shifted just as I was going through the traps. But we've got good data. Car did great. Looks like she is as happy as can be, getting her ready for Mopar Fest. Hope to see you on the next one. That's a wrap. Adios.